Every day I wake up, I choose you as my wife. I promise to love you in everything I do. Through laughter and tears, and to grow and create beautiful life with you. You love me in a way I never knew was possible. Completing my heart, I vow to listen, learn, and support you. Your joys and sorrows will be mine for all our days.
Layad, naita adwani ay bakan lang duwa ay manin ni layad. No dikat man best friend mo't lang ay kaganda mo ay nanamamwanta. Malagip kod kasin, idi man is eskwela tapay lang kanayon ka ay mangiila ay kagwada dilay dumaibaga. Hingga na adwani tinmurod ka dadlo at kam ay mabalin iman aram ka. So for 2 years you were my safest place, my constant, and when our friendship turned into love, it felt so natural, like my heart had always known it was you. Mag-schoolmate kami, transferi siya dati. Pag lagi nga siyang nakatingin sa akin. Tapos yun, nag-message siya. Sabi niya kung gusto niyang mangligaw. Tapos sabi ko, oo. So, nanligaw siya ng 2 years bago ko siya sinagot. Nag-college kami, schoolmate pa rin kami. So, yun. Hanggang sa parehas kaming nakatapos, nagka-work. Doon na siya nag-propose.
First impression ko, mabait siya, jolly, palatawa. Ayun lang naman, walang dark side sa kanya. Doon ako mas lalo na, yun yung mas lalong nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Maano din sa biro-biro, basta mabait. At palatawa lang, gano'n. Jolly-jolly lang.
In the way you're meant to, I couldn't say for sure, but I wouldn't ask for more.
13 years po kami in relationship bago siya nag-propose. Nasabi, ready na daw siya magpakasalan ako, kaya yun. Nag-yes naman na ako.
We were made for this. Call me up before in forward motion to still this heart apart. All my troubled waters
It's been a long journey and now we are finally getting married. And I promise that I will love you with all my heart. I will take good care of you and sana hindi ka magbago at yun lang. Mahal na mahal kita.
Layad, sa next journey na natin bilang husband and wife, sana hindi ka magbago. Sana ganun ka pa rin. Mamahalin mo pa rin ako kahit na palaging masungit ako. Thank you sa patience mo at sabay sana tayong tatanda. I love you, Layad. I will always love you.
Nag-start yun nung nag-meet kami sa high school. Tapos, kasi transfer ako galing ako ng Bauco Catholic School. May program sa school noon Tapos nag-MC ako, ayun, sinisigaw nila yung pangalan ng asawa ko. Tapos ako naman sumunod. Yun na, siya na yung tinawag ko. Ayun, kumanta siya. Nung kumanta siya, doon ako naantig sa boses niya.
But it makes sense. Oh, I'm too tired to think about it.
Tapos mula nun, ayun na, nag-umpisa na yung pansin-pansinan hanggang sa magkolehiyo kami. Kami pa rin magkasama sa St. Louis University. Ayun, gumraduate na ako. Tapos hanggang nag-apply na ako, saka naisipan na magsama na kami.
Seeing shadows on the water. Oh, yeah, so honest. Seeing shadows on the water. Burning our promise. To let the rest of our lives decide. To let the rest.
Ang first impression ko kay Samuel ay mabait. Siya ay mabait. Matulungin. Siyempre, gwapo.
Today, surrounded by loved ones, I choose you to be my wife. I'm proud to be your husband, and I promise to always stand by your side no matter what life brings.
13 years ta ay manggay-gayom, inilam amin ay madmadi ugalik, ngam ugay katin may taynan, pinilim ay laydon hakon.
We're seeing shadows on the wall.
Today, I promise to stand by your side through every season of life. I promise to continue choosing you every single day. I promise to listen, to understand, and to grow with you. I promise to be your safe place, just as you have always been mine. No matter what life brings us, I will walk with you hand in hand, with love, respect, and unwavering faith in us. From best friends to soulmate, from then until forever. Samuel, Layad, I choose you always.
To let the rest of our lives decide. Yeah, we're keeping it golden, golden, la 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 la. Keeping it golden, golden, yeah. Laid back and I'm chilling in the summertime. No stress, got me floating like a butterfly. So blessed in the golden kind of state of mind. Can you see me shining? Got me spinning like a vinyl. Ride the wave like it's tidal. I've been living every moment like I'm going viral. Yeah, we on the way up. Like the sun in the sky coming up. Like the crown on my head, hold it up. Like the sound of